Okay, hello everyone. Guys, this is the second video on the second day. And we're just going to practice with Desmos. Now, I just want you to practice drawing a dot plot and a box and whisker plot and a histogram using some sets of data. There's going to be 6 problems. I'm going to do 3 of them for you right here. And I'm hoping you can do the next 3 by yourself. Now, this is today's folder right here. Mine might look a little different than yours. Right now it's unpublished because I'm just recording this right now. But if you go to this Desmos graphing calculator, this button right here, it'll open up Desmos. And Desmos looks like this, okay? And again, you can click back on one of your tabs to go back to this data. See, it says data for Desmos practice 6 problems. Click on that and open it up. Here's our 6 problems right here. This is our data for the 6 problems, but I'm not going to make you type all this in. Okay, this is how we're going to do it. Guys, go ahead and copy this data. Go over the top of it. You can right-click and copy like that if you want. Or you can go Control-C. Or I'm sorry, Command-C. Depends on what you're using. Just to copy it and go over to Desmos. All right, click right up in here. And you're just watching me do this right now. You don't have to do it yet, but you're going to have to do it for like 3 problems to practice. I'll do 3, then you all do 3, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to call this A, little a equals. And then I'm going to paste it, all right? And I go Command V, paste that in there. See, it says A equals 30 element list, okay? Then click down here and make another one. And this one, we're going to use the calculator. It's right down here in the lower left corner. It says Show Keyboard or Keypad. So click on the keypad. It opens up like this. And I want you to click on this button here. It says Functions. Click on that. Get this out of the way here. And we are going to click on Displays, D-I-S-T. See Display right there? And here's the 3 we're going to use. Histogram, dot plot, box plot. Let's just do them in order. How about the histogram first? All right? So hit the histogram button, and this will pop up, histogram. And we used set A. I called it A. So just put a little A in there. Boom, it pops up. You see that? You can drag it over and kind of look at it. And you can say, you know, I don't want my bars lined up on the center here. I want them on the left side, kind of like that. You can do that if you want. All right? Play with it a little bit. It's pretty easy. Let's do another one. Click down here again. So we're going to open up. We're going to make something new, a new entry. Again, click on Functions. And this time I'm going to make a dot plot. Click on dot plot. It's asking what set of data. Again, I'm going to use A, little a. So you see the dots pop in there? It's kind of cool. All right. Of course, now we're going to do the box and whisker plot. I click down here again. Go to Functions. Go on the box plot. All right. Again, A. It's asking for A. And this is right over the top. If you want, I can offset this a little bit. Let's offset this. See where I'm clicking here? It says offset. I can go up 5. So it moves it up a little bit so we can look at it kind of. Let's close this. Oops. There we go. Again, that's Control or Command Z will undo something. Control or Command Z will undo something if you make a mistake. Let's take a look at this. I wanted to close that. Yeah, there, like that. So we can take a look at it. It's kind of cool looking, isn't it? Again, it tells us that the median is right here. It's like 7.5. All right. Half of the data is right here between 5, it looks like, and 10. Half of the data is right in there. All right. Guys, I'm going to do another one. You can click up here to these little arrows. And let's get rid of all of them. Boom. All right. Or just get rid of our data. Leave the histogram, dot plot, and box plot functions just kind of sitting there. Let's make a new set of data. Let's go back to our problems. Remember we just did problem number 1? Let's do problem number 2. Look at all this data right here. Go ahead and grab a hold of it, the whole thing. Copy it. Go back to Desmos. Say, okay, little a equals, and then paste it in there. Again, you guys can just go Control V or Command V. We'll paste it in there, and boom. See, they all pop up like that. It's pretty cool. I can close this, and we can look at this data. See, this data a little bigger. You can scroll and kind of back away and look at it like that. Sweet. All right. You can see the exact data here, okay? The highest number looks like it's 29, all right? See, the median here is, again, looks like it's 14 right here, all right? Even though there's no values actually at 14, that's still the middle of the set, all right? We'll do one more, and then I'm hoping that you guys can do 3 of them. Just practice, all right? And open this up. I'm just going to get rid of our data. Boom. So it disappears. I'm going back to our practice problems, number 3. I'm just going to grab a hold of this data, copy it. Again, I can go Command C. We'll copy. Come over to Desmos. Click down here. Say A equals. And then go ahead and paste it in there. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to scroll out. Take a close look at this data. Ooh. See, this data has a whole bunch of 10s. All right. The average looks like it's 7. I mean, not the average, the median looks like it's 7. Okay. All right, y'all, just play with it a little. Do those last 3 problems right here. Play with Desmos. Go ahead and you can do it here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go back here for a minute. When you're done with that, you all need to do a self-assessment. Include a number between 1 and 10. All right? Sometimes I change it and give you a little more. And maybe an explanation if you want. If there's anything you need to say to me or anything, you guys can throw it right in there. It's all right. And then do this exit ticket. There's 6 problems. They're 2 points each. All right? And then you'll be done for the day. All right, that's it, y'all. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me.